It's Jamie's Random Question Time!
Okay, we're back again, and we have
Dave Newman
from
David Newman Electrical from Sutton Coldfield.
There we go. So today, what you're looking to hope and see at the show?
I was hoping to see your good face.
Oh, nice.
We always like to look at new products. I like listening to the Tech Talk guys.
Cool.
They do explain what's on paper very well.
Yeah.
And yeah, good day out.
Cool. So I've got some questions for you.
Okay.
Nothing too difficult.
Right.
So, Luceco lighting or BG electrical?
You're different businesses, different jobs. I like your lighting. I like your work lighting. I like your BG sockets.
Okay. So if you had to install a light over a socket, which one would you go for? What's the easiest job for you?
A socket.
A socket?
Yeah.
Okay. An outdoor socket or an indoor socket?
An indoor.
An indoor socket.
Yeah.
White moulded or decorative?
For ease, white moulded. Inevitably, people want decorative ones, which are very thin, and there isn't the space behind for the wires, and you're squeezing them, and it's. But if it's from scratch and you put a deep enough box in, then decorative ones look nicer.
So we've just worked out between Luceco BG, you prefer Luceco, but then we just worked out what you want to install is a white moulded socket. That's all from us.
Okay.
Right, so that's a wrap at CF Live for this year. It's been great. Lots of people to the stand, really busy. Lots of contractor engagement, checking out all of our new innovative products and future-proof products that are available very soon. Check out all the links below to follow us on social and all the contractors that we've spoken to today. Thank you for watching.